The nominees are in for this year's Worst CEO in Biotech. The Street senior columnist Adam Feuerstein compiled the list and joins me now. Adam, let's get started with John Johnson, former CEO of Dendreon. When you jump ship from the sinking ship, there's not much more left to discuss, no?
Well, yeah, Dendreon filed for bankruptcy, and under his watch, and you know, when you have an approved drug, it's kind of a, you're basically printing money. So for a biotech company to file for bankruptcy gets you on the list.
And how about the pairing of Steve Krugman and Marc On? On is now fired, but the other was promoted. Tell us why and which one you call Darth Vader.
Marc On is Darth Vader, and Kriegsman is Emperor Palpatine. These guys are kind of sort of mentor mentee, and kind of got their hands dirty with a stock promotion scheme this year.
And Twitter can get the best of all of us in trouble sometimes. How did it help one CEO land on your list?
Martin Shkreli from Retrophin, smart guy, kind of attention-addled, and sort of spend maybe a little bit too much time on Twitter and not enough time building his company out, and got fired in the process.
And moving on, why did Joe Podolski of Repros Therapeutics make it on your list?
Yeah, Joe just he's on the list, kind of a credibility sinkhole in terms of his drug development this year, and some of the things he's talked about in terms of his trying to get a drug submitted to the FDA.
So credibility, though, doesn't seem to be Linda Powers of Northwest Biotherapeutics' problem at all when it comes to raising money. Tell us why she made your list.
It's just there's a company with a long history of kind of stringing investors along with a lot of overly promotional press releases, and not a lot of real clinical development progress over at Northwest Biotherapeutics.
And Adam, last but not least, a familiar name to both of us, Marc Beer. He's the reason why we last spoke together, but it's not the allegations of cocaine, swinging, and it's not golf balls we're talking about that made him a bad CEO. What is?
No, all that alleged bad behavior. I gave him a pass on all of that. Really, it's down to execution or lack thereof, and a once promising orphan drug company has kind of run into a lot of trouble, and that's what landed Marc on the list this year.
Great, thanks so much for sharing your list with us, Adam.
All right, thanks.
And those are the nominees for the Worst Biotech CEOs of 2014. And now it's up to you to decide. Vote for your favorite or least favorite in the interactive poll. Adam will tally all your votes and let us know who he awards for the Worst Biotech CEO. For The Street, I'm Susanna Lee in New York.